Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from a group of 8 consisting of Praditya Bayu Hananto, Rizalanda Mustafa, Nofrizal bin Febrian, and Fauzan Indra. Want to present of the result of a review of article on gender diversity, birth independency, environmental, commit, and greenhouse gas disclosure. The first is an abstract. This paper examines the impact of corporate boards' characteristic on the voluntary disclosure of greenhouse gas emissions in the form of a carbon disclosure project report. Using both univariate and regression models with a sample of the 329 Lakers companies in the United Kingdom, we find a significant positive association between gender diversity and the propensity to disclose GNC information, as well as the extensiveness of that disclosure. In addition, and board with more independent directors of environmental commit show and Hicker's tendency to be ecologic transparent. However, if the commit is not sufficiently large, independent or active, its effect seems insignificant. The result of consistent with stakeholder theory suggestion that a diverse field and independent board and the extension of a board level environmental commit may balance affirm financial and non-financial goal with limited resources and moderated the possible conflicting expectation on stakeholders who have disparate interests. The findings should be useful for the top managers and regulators who are interested in improving corporate governance practice and climate change strategies. Introduction. There is growing scientific evidence of the effect of greenhouse gas (GHG) emission on global warming. Corporate business and assets are influenced by the potential for increasingly severe climate change. Therefore, firms need to become resistant to such impact and to take initiatives that gain from specific advantage. However, corporate strategies can vary substantially from proactive approaches that require firms to build specific capabilities to reactive solutions that simply comply with legislation and minimally meet regulation standards. Thus, information about a firm's strategies and activities and their impact on GHG emissions is vital from the decisions of stakeholders. Firms, in the absence of specific public policy requirement, voluntarily report their GHG information. Theory and literature review. Prior literature suggests that, compared to male directors who are more interested in economic performance, female director exhibits a strong orientation toward corporate social responsibility. Similarly, appointment of independent directors who are less aligned with management and are more likely to be inclined to encourage firms to disclose a wider range of information demanded by stakeholders. is a effective monitoring mechanism that restrict the opportunistic behaviors of top exclusive assumed by agency theory. Finally, a bird with an environmental commit is expert to be more environmentally responsive, resulting in a more transparent GHG report from this firm. Hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1. The propensity for GHG disclosure in positively relates to gender diversity. Hypothesis 2. The propensity for GHG disclosure is positively related to birth independency. Hypothesis 3. The propensity for GHG disclosure in positively relates to the presence of a commit method. This archival study will enrich both the academic and empirical literature in several ways. First, we extend environmental accounting to carbon accounting. GHG differs from water, air, and other types of population hazardous waste, toxic chemical emissions because the problem is global and long-term and the harm is essentially irreversible. Analysis tool use ANOVA. Conclusion. Our analysis suggests a firm corporate climate policy may be determined not only by an objective assessment of the severity of the agency problem and asymmetric information within the firm, but also may be influenced by the interaction among the firm board, individual board member, and stakeholder constituents. Limitation. We recognize that our study has some limitation because we limit our analysis to GHG disclosure. We cannot extrapolate our finding to the broader issues of environmental performance. Future study. Theoretical framework such as neo-economic theories, social psychology, institutional theory, and network analysis. Future study. Theoretical framework such as non-economic theories, social psychology, institutional theory, and network analysis, as well as stewardship theories can supplement stakeholder view to address critical issues such as social norms and influences behavior and motivation of directors, the power of competing interests of stakeholders, and moral obligation. Sekian dari kelompok 8. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.